Hi, good morning. It is January 4th, 2019. Greater Las Vegas real estate update here. So what do we got going on? Let me see here. New listings. Okay, so since yesterday we've had 17 come on the market, including all day yesterday. There have been 171. But of course you can see some of these price increases, price decreases. I don't know why anybody would increase the price, but that's the way it goes. And let me get back to page 1 here. And prices go anywhere from 191.7 for a townhome, 1,327 square feet, built in 78. All the way up to 1.199 over here at Patio. Double address, so that's kind of funny. Let's see what this little guy looks like. Oh, that's a nice house, nice drone shot. Looks like it's a brand new house or something. Oh, that's an open house sign. There we go. Nice pool in the back. Very clean, no trees or anything there. Nothing to maintain except that pool, because that's all artificial turf. Looks pretty nice. And when was that built? New house. That's why it looks so nice. This little $191,000 townhome here. Let's see what we got here. It's half a duplex. Okay. Looks pretty nice. Grass. Brick. Oh, looks clean, updated. Interesting. Okay, so that's what's going on with that part. Sold yesterday. Let me see here. Actual close date. The third. Okay, all the way up to previous. 50 of them reported closed yesterday, and they ranged anywhere from $80,000 for a condo up to $1.25 looks like. Yep. So this one's sold. Let's take a look at this little guy right here. Oh, nice looking house. Good photography, nice shots. Oh, nice big kitchen. Look at that. Little breakfast bar there, big island. Yeah, looks pretty nice. What's back there? Is there a pool back there? Nope, no pool. Yeah, there is a pool back there, but and this little $310,000 for $310,000 2,000 square foot house here. Let's see what it looks like for $310,000. Oh, nice, not bad. Pretty good. Okay, so that's that. And then under contract, looks like about 96 or so went under contract yesterday. Comes some change from no show to show. And what is this no show here? 213 went into contract. A couple of them changed statuses there. You can see right there. The rest of these were reported. So we had pretty active first part of the year. It's good to hear. It's good to know. And so that's about it for now. So I will talk to you on Monday. Today's Friday. I have a short week. So have a good weekend, and we'll give you a new update on Monday.